Sredi septembra je Peugeot razkril povsem novi 3008, ki bo na ceste najprej zapeljal s povsem električnim pogonom. Podrobno smo si avto sicer lahko ogledali že konec avgusta v Sochauxu, kjer ga bodo tudi izdelovali. In zakaj je Sochauxu tako zelo pomemben?
So Sochauxu is special because this is the birthplace of the brand, an historic birthplace of the brand, and also because today we are building existing generation of 3008 and 5008, and we felt it was the best place to launch the E3008 with important investment to transform the Sochauxu plant into an EV plant. And I can also add the fact that there is an ecosystem here. You have the manufacturing, you have the engineering, and you have testing tracks for the E3008. So that was the perfect location for this car.
Če tudi 3008 ni prvi povsem električni Peugeotjev avtomobil, pa je za znamko še kako pomemben.
Yes, the E3008 is a totally new car. As you mentioned, it's designed on a new platform, the Stella Medium platform, up to 700 kilometers. But we are bringing a new iCockpit, we are bringing new technologies such as the lighting, and the car has many innovations. So this is a totally new, futuristic product that we'll bring to the road.
Novi Peugeot 3008 nedvomno vstopa v velike čevlje predhodnika. Za trenutnega 3008 se je namreč v 7 letih odločilo že več kot 1 300 000 kupcev, nenazadnje pa je kmalu po prihodu na trg osvojil tudi laskavi naslov evropskega avtomobila leta. So se zato novinca lotili bolj previdno oziroma drugače?
Since the beginning, of this project, we know that this new E3008 will be an electric car. That's why in terms of design, we rethink completely the way as we will design in terms of design language. That's why, in terms of design language, the car is a simple, really sleek. In terms of front face also, make this E3008 easily recognizable and memorable, thanks to the 3 close-light signature. And the fact that, the front face is much more full, thanks to this new grille, which is not a traditional grille, because, there is a pattern that is merging, in the bumper. And the fact that when you see the car in dynamics, it creates something kind of a monolith, so it's at the same time robust yet efficient, thanks to this fastback silhouette.
Zagotovo preseneča oblika karoserije. Še vedno namreč živimo v času, ko se najbolje prodajajo križanci, zdaj pa so se pri Peugeotu odločili, da dobro sprejet model predstavijo v povsem drugačni podobi.
We try to reinvent the sedan, I would say the traditional sedan, with 4.8. And here, because everybody is talking about, what will be the next gen of SUV, this is part of the answer, I would say, with this fastback, because it's dynamic, it's efficient, and at the same time, I would say it renews, the traditional segment, which is the SUV. So we believe, that customer will have some appeal, to go with this new way of thinking about SUV. Because at the same time, we keep all the practicality of SUV, because people love SUV because you have the high ground clearance, enough room inside, and we keep that. But at the same time, we are even more attractive and thanks to this fastback silhouette.
Pri Peugeotu, kot že slišano, obljubljajo doseg vse tja do 700 km. A slednji zahteva ogromne baterije, ki seveda niso poceni. Bodo na voljo tudi manjše baterije oziroma cenejše različice?
So the E3008 will be launched with 3 electric powertrain. So 2 front-wheel drive, one 210 horsepower with 525 range. The second will be 230 horsepower with up to 700 km range. On top of that, we are introducing a dual range offer, all-wheel drive, 320 horsepower for 525 range.
Za konec se seveda nismo mogli izogniti vprašanju, kako je naslov evropskega avta leta vplival na izdelavo novinca.
Regarding that, I will stay really humble, because I know this is a really strong competition with a strong competitor. But when we start to design this car, we know, the success of the actual 3008. But that's why, in fact, we thought there was 2 solutions. One, just to do a traditional SUV, and the second one, in fact, to create something completely new. And it's what we have done with this one. And we believe, this will be a success, because there is this attractiveness that we keep, from the second generation to this one. It's a new attractiveness that we try to rethink, redevelop, and we hope, that this car will be full of success.